Well, hello, Glenn here. I wanted to make a video to show you how to get your Z drive back. We've been hearing some reports after people have upgraded to Windows 10 that their Z drive is going away and we can't get it back. So I'll show you what this looks like here. Mine currently is okay, but you'll notice when your Z drive goes away that you'll see something that looks like this, and I've kind of mocked this up just so you can see what it looks like, but you'll get this red in here. So that's what it looks like, and I'm going to close this image now and come back here to the program. What you want to do is first thing I do anyway, is go to Windows Explorer. So you can click here on however you get into Windows Explorer, open the thing up. I use the little Windows flag key on my keyboard and the letter E, and that gets me in there. You want to come down here and you want to disconnect your Z drive. So just highlight it, right click, disconnect. Once that's done, you can close Windows Explorer. And then, remember this will be red. You'd come in here now and you want to click on this PC or my computer, and you want to do right click and pick Map Network Drive. And then a box similar to this should pop up. At this point you want to type in the name of your server. I happen to be at Anderson, so it's ANFOSERV /RIS_media. You want to check the box, reconnect at sign on, and then click finish. And it should, didn't work for me because I didn't type correctly. ANFO. So that worked. Then the next thing that you want to do is you want to now come in, and the Z drive should be down here in the list. You can click on that, pick orthos, say OK, and you'll be back to something that's not red. Now if by chance it still is red, one of the tricks you can do is come back in here, go to just like your C drive, pick one of the folders underneath there that is a valid drive, say OK, and then I like to say OK again and get completely out of Configure Program, and then I'll come back in. It's taking a little while here. I don't know what it's doing. There we go. Okay. Configure program. And then it has the path that I picked under C, but now I would come back and set it to C. And then pick orthos. Okay. For some reason on mine it takes a long time to get out of the configure program box when you click OK. And at this point you should see orthos up here. The button should be back. If you don't have orthos and if you had the red path in there, this would just say NA and it would be grayed out. You couldn't click on anything, but to test to see if it's working, you can click and the ortho should load here in the background. And now we're back in business. So hopefully this video helps you, and I guess if you have any questions you can always call myself or Dan Ball.